Hello my dear students, my name is Shyam, MBA Economics. Today we are going to discuss intermediate first year economics TS weightage chart. It is completely pandemic model paper. It is completely based on board model paper. Already the Board of Intermediate Telangana government, it will be TS Board Intermediate Board published one model paper. So based on these weightage chart, it will be discussed. It will be very useful to us. See this one. You know very well about the total first year economics, the total syllabus. It is the total chapters of this total 10 chapters are there. That is the first introduction to the economics. See this one. This is the first chapter. In this chapter, the very short answers, the 4 very short answers, and short answers 2, and there is no long answer. So you know very well about this is the 4 very short answers. 4 to the 8, and short answers, that is the 2 5 the 10. The 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. It is the total marks. So after we are going to next chapter, that is the theories of consumer behavior. In this second chapter, very short answers 2, and short answers 2, and long answer 1. See this one. Very short answers 2 marks questions, 2 to the 4, and short answers 5 marks. That's why it is the 10, and long answer 1. That is also 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. It is the total marks from second chapter, that is theories of consumer behavior. So after this third chapter, demand analysis. In this chapter, 3 very short answers and 2 short answers and 1 long answer. See this one, it is a 6 marks, 10 marks and 10 marks, total 26 marks. And after we are going to next, that is the 4th chapter, production analysis. In this chapter, 2 very short answers and 1 short answer and another 1 long answer. See this one, this is a very short answers. That's why 2 to the 4 and 1 5 marks and another 10 marks. The total marks 19 marks from these 4th chapter, production analysis. Okay, and we are going to next chapter, that is the 5th chapter, that is market analysis. See this one. In this chapter, 1 very short answer and another 1 short answer and 1 long answer. See this one. This is the 2 marks and 5 marks and 10 marks. The total, that is 17 marks from these chapter. And after we are going to next, that is the 6th chapter. See this one. This is the theories of distribution. In this chapter, very short answers are 2, and another 1 is there, that is the short answer, and in this there is no long answer. That's why 2 to the 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. See this one, it is the very least weightage of this total chart. You recognize this thing. And after that we are going to next chapter, that is the 7th chapter, that is national income analysis. In this national income, this is also very important chapter. In this chapter, very short answers 2 and short answer 1 and another 1 one long answer in this one. See this one, 2 2s are 4 and 5 marks and 10 marks. The total 19 marks from this chapter. After we are going to 8th chapter, that is the theories of employment and public finance. See this one, in this 8th chapter, very short answers, 2 question answers is there. In this 2 questions, very short answers. See this one, you can, another one is there, that is the short questions, that is the 2, and another one, that is the long answer. See this one, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 and 1 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. In this chapter, 24 marks from this 8th chapter. After we are going to 9th one, that is the chapter name is money, banking and inflation. See this one, in this chapter, 4 very short answers and 2 short answers, and there is no long answer in this 9th chapter. So 4 2s are 8 plus 10 is equal to 18 from this chapter. The total marks. And the last one is there, that is the series from the last one, the basic statistics for economics. This is the last one. In this chapter, 3 very short answers you must write and 2 short and there is no long. It is the total series one, 3 2s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. It is the total is 16 marks. See this one, in this point of view, this is the 25 questions very short answers and short answers in questions 16 questions and the long questions 6 questions. See this one important point is there. You must write in this first very short answers only 15. 15 2s are 30. Among these 25, you can write only 15. The choice 10 choices are there extra, 10 is there within 25, and among these 25 you can write only 15. The second one is there, that is the 16 questions are there in the question paper. Short answers, short questions, you can write only 8 5s are 40. And this is the long answers. In this question paper, 6 questions are there. You can write only 3. 3 10s are 30. See this one? 30 very short answers. Short answers 40. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. And long answers 30. 70 plus 30 is equal to 100. So the total question in this total marks in this all this weightage, that is the 190, the total marks. 190 paper they gave to 190, you can write only 100 paper. So this is the total weightage. It is completely pandemic situation. It is not normal weightage. It is the pandemic TS only. Okay, thank you.